So today we're going to talk about the basics of presenting in Canva. This will be a very short video just to kind of show you the difference between the Surface Pro and the iPad when it comes to presenting. So I'm going to assume that I already have a presentation, so I'm going to go ahead and just add a few slides. And I am going to present this from my Surface Pro. So once my Canva document is open, I can start it on any slide that I want, but whatever slide that is selected is the slide that my presentation will start on. So most of the time you want to go back to the first slide and then come up here to the top right, go to present, make sure it's on standard for the type, and then hit that purple present button again. So now you have your presentation up, and you can move through the presentation by clicking on the right to move forward or the left to move back, and you can also hit enter to move forward in your presentation. Now what I really want to show you is just the simple difference. Now to get out of this, I'm going to hit escape to show you the simple difference of my view on the Surface Pro versus my view on the iPad. So when I'm on the iPad, the only difference is I'm not going to see that button that says present at the top. I'm actually going to see an arrow pointing down. All I need to do is click on that arrow and then come down here to this present option and hit present again, and I will have all the same features on the iPad that I do on the Surface Pro. And that is all you need to know about starting a presentation in Canva.